if I double click on this .jar file, and as you can see that I'm getting this error Java virtual machine launcher, error JNI, error has a code, please check your installation and try again. As you can see, I'm facing this error when I open this .jar file on my computer. If you want to fix this problem, then you are in the best place. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to click on this OK button, like OK. If you want to fix this problem, then you have to download this file. After downloading this file, then you have to double click on this file. This is a JDK 17 file, and it will ask you to allow, then you have to click on yes. Now when you complete the installation, then you will be able to fix your problem. Now it is going to take a little bit of time according to your system, then you have to click on next, and it will complete the installation, then it will also fix your problem. Then I'm gonna click on close. I'm all done. If I double click on this .jar file, and as you can see that it is 100% working on my computer. So if you guys found this quick video helpful, make sure to the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.